Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we are going to practice the sound of the letter F. If you remember, F makes a sound. When I make the sound of F, my teeth touch my bottom lip, my tongue stays down, and a lot of air comes out of my mouth. Good. Let's go ahead and practice reading the sound of F. Today we're going to look at some letters on a page. As we look at the letters, I'll make a mark under each letter. When I make that mark under the letter, I want you to read the sound with me. Let's go ahead and begin. Ah, mm, s, er, t, ah, t, f, s, ah, mm, ah, mm, s, t, f. Were you able to read every sound with me? I sure hope so. Let's go ahead and practice one more time. This time I'll use a different color under the letter. Let's go ahead and begin. Ah, mm, s, p, k, p, ah, t, s, k, ah, p, mm, ah, k, s, t, Great job. Thanks for practicing your letter sounds with me today. Remember, the more we practice, the better a reader we become. See you soon.